In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a column or bar chart within Excel. So column charts or bar charts are visual representations of categorical data that uses either vertically or horizontally oriented bars to represent the frequencies or the number of occurrences within each category. So to create a column or bar chart in Excel, what you need to do is first organize your data into a table like this. So the first column will be the categories in which you're organizing the events or the number of participants in this example. And then the next column will be the frequency of participants that fall into each of the categories. So you can see here we're looking at athletes in different sports, and the number of people that fall into each category are listed here in no particular order. So in order to create the column or bar chart, we want to go to the Insert menu, and you'll find the chart grouping here, and the first icon we're looking for here is Insert Column or Bar Chart. So we want to click on the little arrow next to it, and we're first going to do the vertical one, so we click on the 2D column chart. As you can see here, it creates this vertical bar chart indicating the frequency by the height of the bar of the number of participants that fall into each category. Now, if you'd rather see a horizontal bar chart, you can very easily change that. So we go back to the Insert menu and find our column options here, and then you can see the 2D bar, and that will change the orientation of the bars into a horizontal. And so we can see here now again the length of the bar represents the frequency or the number of participants that fall into each category. If you'd like to organize the bars a little bit better, as you can see here, it's a little scattered. It looks rather random. If you want to organize it by either high or low frequency to make it look a little more organized, you can go to the Data menu, and we want to click on the column that represents our frequencies, and then we can go to the Sort button, and we can sort by highest to lowest as far as the number of frequencies, or from lowest to highest. And so that allows you to organize the chart a little bit more and make it a little bit more visually appealing. And you can also change the chart title to be a little more descriptive as to what the data actually represents. So hopefully you found this video to be useful, and good luck using it in your own research.